In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate terms and conditions for your Shopify online store. It's an essential part of setting up your business online, as it protects both you and your customers by clearly outlining the rules and expectations of your online transactions. Let's walk through each step to ensure you have a comprehensive and professional-looking terms and conditions page. To start off, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, head over to your admin dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for Settings at the very bottom of that list and click on it. Within the Settings panel, you'll find multiple options. What you need here is Legal. It's where you can manage all the policies for your store. Now, you should see fields for various store policies. These include Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, Refund Policy, and more. Focus on the Terms and Conditions section. To make this easier, Shopify offers a template you can use as a starting point. Click on Create from Template, and Shopify will auto-generate a basic template. Remember, this is just a starting point. You should tailor this template to fit the specifics of your business. A well-defined terms and conditions page will help clarify everything from customer responsibilities to liability limitations and more, so take your time with this. Next, you want to address any areas specific to your business. For example, if you have unique shipping policies or additional customer obligations, make sure these are clearly stated. It's a good idea to go through each section carefully. You might also want to consider consulting with a legal professional for advice specific to your situation. They can offer invaluable insights that go beyond generic templates. Once you've personalized the template to your liking, scroll down and hit the Save button to ensure all your hard work is not lost. After saving, you should definitely review the entire document once more. Check for any grammatical errors or unclear language that could confuse your customers. Clarity is key here. Now that you have your customized terms and conditions all set, the final step is to make sure it's easily accessible on your site. Go back to the Shopify dashboard and click on Online Store in the left panel. Choose Pages and then Add Page. Title it Terms and Conditions, and copy your content into the web page editor. Save your new page, and be sure to add a link in your site's footer so customers can easily find it. You might also consider linking it during checkout for extra visibility. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created and implemented a terms and conditions page for your Shopify store. Having these policies in place is crucial for establishing trust with your customers and ensuring a smooth operation of your online shop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.